The majority of you are already aware of the many health benefits of tomatoes, but not everyone is aware that tomatoes may also be used to treat varicose veins in a natural way. Because the fruit contains an aspirin-like chemical, tomatoes have medicinal benefits. This acid is regarded as a natural blood thinner and anticoagulant. Tomatoes also include flavonoids, which fortify blood vessel walls. Green and red ripe tomatoes are two excellent natural treatments for varicose veins. 1. Using ripe red tomatoes as a home remedy for varicose veins. Put some thinly sliced, washed, ripe tomatoes over the uncomfortable veins for 4 to 5 hours. To adequately attach them, use bandages. Wait a while before adding fresh tomatoes to their place. The optimal time to perform this treatment is in the late afternoon or early evening. The course of treatment depends on the patient. This natural remedy can also be combined with green tomatoes. 2. Using green tomatoes for varicose veins therapy. A very easy natural treatment for varicose veins is a green tomato. It only requires washing a few green tomatoes and slicing them into circles, or rings. The varicose vein nodes and the vein capillary network should then be covered with slices of green tomato. Fixate them with a bandage if necessary. Maintain the tomato slices there until you notice a tingling feeling on the skin. If you find the sensation intolerable, remove the tomato slices as soon as you experience burning and wash the veins with cold water. The vein nodes will start to disappear 2 weeks after you began this natural treatment. The soreness, capillary network, edema, and vein nodes will ultimately go away. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.